Hi, I'm Nick. Welcome back to Technic channel. Today we are going to test this Einhell angle grinder. If you watch our unboxing video, you may see the mistake we did where the blade jump. We are going to show you how to install this. With this part, it goes down. Find the position. Also, here we have a stop button for this to not rotate when you install the blade. So we have to keep that push. Let's try again. Okay, it's stuck in position. We are going to put one of these blades. We have this for wood. We have one to sharp metal. We are going to install the cutting one for metal. It's from Rider. As I told you, 150 millimeters. It's needed. You can see there. Also, this one goes with this part down. Last time we didn't use the key and the blade jumped. Also use a lot of force on this to be sure it won't jump and accident yourself. Should be pretty much it. So install the safeguard. This needed a screwdriver here to fix it. I'm just going to use it one more time. As I told you, push this button and just use the key. Apply as much force as you can. Okay, it should be secure. Also, this can go on the side, on the top, or even here. We are going to put it on the top. Okay. To others, you can put the key here. Doesn't work on this one. So we are going to put a bigger battery, 4 milliamps. Let's do a test. You press it forward a bit on the right, then forward. Okay. We are going to go outside now and test it. Okay, so we are outside. We are going to start it now. Push it right here. Be sure not to be hot. Can see this was pretty big. Hope you enjoyed, and if you like it, subscribe to my channel.